What's going on, West Michigan? Today we are out in Cedar Springs, Michigan, getting ready to show off this beautiful single family ranch. This one is a little bit different than your typical house. It is actually a standalone site condo. Now, what I want to do is educate you on what that means. You're going to get your lawn mowed, you're going to get your driveway plowed, you're going to get your trash removed, you get landscaping, fertilizer. So many goodies come with this house, all on half an acre. And you're gonna be absolutely amazed at what the cost is per month for that. But we're gonna save that till the end. So let's go check out the inside. All right, so there you have it. What did you think of this beautiful home here in Cedar Springs? Now, one thing I forgot to mention to you, this community actually has a beautiful trail system going in and around the entire community. So if you have a dog or you really like to go out walking, you don't even have to go anywhere to do it. Now, you stay till the end so you get to find out how much all of this costs for you to live simple. Only $250 a month to get all of these goodies involved. That is a great deal. So if you're interested in this condo, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me, you can even send a pigeon carrier. Whatever you have to do, I have your back when it comes to making a move here in West Michigan. We'll see you at the next house.